Hey guys, what's up? So today I've got a little unboxing for you. It's nothing too special, but I figured I had it, and I haven't done an unboxing in a while, so let's go ahead and get started here. Let me find where this tape is holding on here. Okay. Should just be on this outer edge. Yeah. So this item here is not something that's like hard to find or anything like that. It's just something I picked up recently, and it happened to get delivered by the mail while I was leaving to come here, and I thought, why not do an unboxing and have something for them to watch. I don't know. So I use my car keys because I don't have a knife. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. Looks like there's a little receipt in here. Yeah, there's a little receipt for what I purchased. Put that right there, and you can see what it is. I mean, it's very clear, a Herpa Bluebird. Let's see here. So here it is. I mean, it's just your standard Bluebird Herpa bird with the county school district number 4 on it and the green seats. Okay, I said that this was a county school district number 4 bus, and that it had green seats. I honestly don't know what I was thinking, but that clearly says Unified School District number 2, and there are brown seats in there. So I wanted to put this correction in there before people started commenting. So yeah, so I got this because it was pretty cheap for one of these little Herpa birds, and it wasn't a bad deal, so I went ahead and purchased it. Because as most of you know, I do have a very large HO scale school bus fleet, and right now I've got I'd say I'm about 40-ish buses away from having the numbers 1 to 100 filled in the HO scale lineup, or fleet rather. So I bought this to kind of help me reach that goal, and once I I don't need to letter it, I just need to number it because it's already got lettering. But once I number this bus, it's going to be 44, because that's where I'm at within my numbers going up. Because more recently here, because I do have a bunch of HO scale buses with random numbers, so I've just kind of been going up. I filled in like the low numbers, so for a while there I had all the numbers up to like 29, or no, 32 filled. So then I filled in 33 and 35, 36, and now we're in the 40s, so this is going to be 44 to help fill that in. So when I do the next HO scale bus fleet video, it's going to be interesting because I will have a lot of buses to show. And yeah, my long-term goal for my HO scale fleet is one day I would love to set up a like an actual little HO scale yard with like parking spots and numbers for all of these buses and stuff like that, just like you'd see a train layout. I mean, these are made for train layouts, but you know, I'd love to see these buses in that like just in a parking lot like that. I think that'd be really cool. I did have these set up a few years back in my basement on on poster boards, but I didn't have nearly as many buses as I have now. So yeah, I'm gonna have to do it again. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this unboxing. I just figured I'd do this video because why not? It's something. I haven't done an unboxing in a while, and you know, it's a Herpa, so yeah. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. And yeah.